Hi guys, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. So guys, these days every time you open your Instagram account, like everybody flexing with Dalgona Coffee. And so I thought of making this video for all my lovely viewers so that you guys can also flex like a king. So guys, when we talk about this Dalgona coffee, so it's not a new recipe or something. It is like a very old recipe, but recently, like January onwards, I think it has become an Instagram sensation because I think it was featured in some Korean TV show, after which it became very popular. So guys, and believe me, it just tastes so heavenly. I remember as a kid my mom used to make it, and we were not allowed for coffee and all those things, but once in a while we used to get it and it used to taste yum. So let me just tell you how to make this, and it's really simple. All you need is you need to take three ingredients basically, and that's your instant coffee, sugar and warm water. And it's very simple. You have to take all the three things in equal quantity. So if you're using a spoon or a cup, so just measure equal quantity of it, right? And then you just have to mix it and make a very nice smoothie creamy texture so that there is no granule of sugar left into it. You can use a hand blender, an electric blender, or your hand. I'll show you with my hand today so that none of you feel that no, you can't make it at home, but you need a lot of power for that because you need to beat it a lot. And the consistency should be like that chocolate mousse sort of thing, and simply you have to pour it on top of hot milk or cold milk, whatever way you like. And I'll also show a variation of it like Mocha Dalgona coffee. You can give it a flavor where we add another flavor into it. So guys, let's try our recipe. So guys, to make 1 cup Dalgona coffee, you require 2 tablespoons of each ingredient, but I'm making 3 types of Dalgona coffee for you today, so I'm taking 6 spoons of each ingredient.
Take down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and unspoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called falling out of line. They don't know the two of us.
One eternity later.
So easy. We could be the enemy and show them how it's done. Yeah, we could brand a new identity and tear apart the songs, make it grayscale with a black and white scale. Singing saints that the sinners believe and burn all that's in it. We'll take them out, out, out. We'll make them up for it and shout, shout, shout. Dream out the guns, I'll take the wheel. How we feel, we were made for this. Leave the mountains still and make it real, make it dangerous. Been colorblind for all my life, and they kept painting rainbows. I'm colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain. And you've been colorblind for all your life, too scared to even say so. We're colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain so. So what they say, what comes falling out of line? They don't know the two of us are colorblind. Yeah.
So guys, today I made 3 types of Dalgona coffee. One Dalgona hot coffee, one Dalgona cold coffee, and the third one was Mocha Dalgona coffee, which I incidentally invented, but it tastes really good. Must try it. And so guys, I hope you enjoyed these recipes with me, and do make these recipes and flex on your Instagram account, and you can make your friends jealous, you know, with your recipes, with your photographs. So guys, enjoy yourself, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do subscribe. Lots of love and blessings to you all.